Hey everybody, and welcome to day 599 of my product hunt streak. Today is Wednesday, September 4th, and you can see here in the Chrome extension we are at day 599 of the streak. So we can click that and should be at position 26, and there we are. Got a little bit before we can climb up here. But still, I'll take it. 599 days is something that I'm proud of, and super excited for tomorrow to see this thing go to 600. So that's that, and let's jump in here, and I'll show you guys a few of the things that I have upvoted and commented. Sticky, which is your notes in the browser. Really cool idea. You can see here, you can basically post notes on anywhere that you're looking at in the browser by just hitting that create note, and then you click. And you can make your notes. Super cool idea. So key features: expands your workspace infinitely, never run out of room. You can customize the colors, and then you can create multiple boards, switch between them. You can collaborate with teams, and you post those things directly to a website. So very cool idea. I like it. It's number 2. We already upvoted it. We commented earlier. And so there's that one. And then next we've got PathPilot. So PathPilot is an AI first customer experience. I think it looks really cool. They basically transform the user sessions. So think of like your heat map sessions, like a Lucky Orange or any of the other like popular heat map style things where you're recording the sessions, and it turns them into highlight reels, helping you spot critical moments from thousands of hours of recording and uncover insights. So really cool idea. You can see here they kind of show you what the dashboard is like. This is this user can't find account settings page. Screen freezes on Android, so you're getting a good summary of the issues that people are having. And then you've got, you can search through your sessions with natural language, so users that completed the demo but didn't purchase. And then you've got those highlights there. And then, like it says, it cut through the noise, it summarizes everything. So I really like this idea. I think it's cool. It'd be interesting to see how AI can help in that situation. With summarizing things that you can that are repeated that you can improve. So I really like it a lot. Very cool. And that's a YC project. And then lastly, we've got Keat. Keat is at number 13. I upvoted that as well. Basically, if I had to summarize, it says integrate with the internet. If I had to summarize, I'd call it the Plaid integration for everything else. So you know how Plaid is for financial products, like linking your bank account to some sort of software or verifying for deposits, etc. This is kind of like that, except it's for other things. So here's a quick demo. Seconds. You can see they're connecting. They log in. And that's it. So healthcare, government, legacy enterprise software, custom integrations, stable automations, and there's no Chrome extension. So it's basically like I said, it's Plaid for everything else. And so you can go down here, and you can see here the maker talks about it, and I had already thought that, and then when I got here, it confirmed it. It says it's easy to connect to your users' accounts to any platform. We provide a Plaid style link component for both web and iOS to integrate with any web platform. So super cool. Really like that idea. And I've wondered before if there's anything like this when connecting Plaid, just because it's so simple. So it's cool to see something like this pop up, and I think it's really useful. It's at number 13 for the day, so we'll see where it ends up, but really cool. And that's it. We'll make this one short and sweet, and we'll be back tomorrow for day 600. Thanks.